Welcome. Talking about auscultation of heart sounds. Auscultation is a method of examination in clinical practice. Auscultation is done using stethoscope. So, auscultation of heart sounds. Heart sounds are four. That is, first heart sound, second heart sound, third heart sound, fourth heart sound. And the first heart sound and second heart sound are audible, whereas the third and fourth are inaudible. Third sound is due to the filling the muscle tremor due to the filling of the ventricles, and fourth is heard in the abnormal conditions. First heart sound is produced due to the closure of atrioventricular valve. Second heart sound is produced due to the closure of semilunar valves. And auscultatory areas are also four in number. They are named as mitral area, tricuspid area, aortic area, pulmonary area. So, we have to auscultate the heart areas, four areas to get the heart sound. So, this heart we have to procedure is that seat the patient comfortably, fully relaxed physically and mentally, and if possible bare the chest region. This is called as a precordium. So, we have to keep the diaphragm chest piece of the stethoscope over the four areas to get the sound. If not possible, no need to bare the chest clothings. So, first you have to locate the sternal ankle. So, from the sternal ankle, right side and left side, second intercostal space. Right is aortic area and the left second intercostal space is the pulmonary area. Then coming below to the fifth intercostal space, that is from the mid sternal line 8 to 10 centimeter left, that is the mitral area, fifth intercostal space. It also corresponds to the apex beat, and also to the left of the lower end of the sternum, that is tricuspid area. So, four areas we have to first mark this second intercostal right and left spaces, then fifth intercostal space for the apex beat to the mitral area, and the left side of the lower end of the sternum, that is for tricuspid area. So, we have to auscultate these four areas to get the heart sounds. So, for that we have to keep the stethoscope. This ankle should be placed forward to the face. So, place this, then check whether it is on or off by tapping gently over this diaphragm. Then first auscultate this left intercostal, second intercostal, get the beatings, lub dub sound you can hear. Then come to the right second intercostal space, then to the left of lower end of the sternum, then fifth intercostal space. So, this four areas you have to auscultate for getting the heart sound. So, these are the four areas where you have to keep the diaphragm part of the chest stethoscope, diaphragm chest piece of the stethoscope. So, this is all about the auscultation of heart sounds.